welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning or a subscriber, welcome back. This is going to be such a quick video. I decided to do a voiceover instead. This is a hair collab with Unice hair. Thank you so much for reaching out to me. Right here, I'm just doing a little unboxing. In the box, they gave me a few goodies. There are 2 HD wig caps, a melting band, and a pair of beautiful long pink press-on nails. This is their Bye Bye Knots wig. It is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut. The lace is pre-cut into zigzag. They have the C ear tab structure, and it's also glueless. Right here, I'm taking the hair out of the box so you can see the hairline, the bleached knots, and they even curled it. So it is pre-everything. They also threw in some ear tabs. So if you are wearing this glueless, you can use these to put this under the wig by your ears in the ear tabs and just place them down so that your wig is not flapping. Right here, I'm just showing you the inside construction of the cap. So now I'm taking the wig into the bathroom to try it on and see how it's fitting. I do see from putting the wig on that it is a little small, but it is not snug because of the back and how stretchy it is. It is very comfortable, but I can tell, like, because the ear tabs are not going down to my ears, that my head is too big for this wig, but we're gonna make it work. So what I end up doing is I'm looking at the lace and I see that it's a little light for my liking. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this lace tinting spray on it. The one I use is in a light warm brown to match my skin tone. Right here, I'm just looking to see what all I need to spray. I'm going to go ahead and take this wig off camera, and then I'm going to spray the inside with the tinting spray and put it back on. While spraying the wig, I realized that the wig does have an elastic band that you can also use. As you see, I don't need it. My head is too big. I can barely fit the wig, so this is one piece that I do not need. This is the wig after I've sprayed it. As you see, melts right into my skin now. I can pretty much comb the curls out, maybe put some mousse around it and head out the door, but I am going to go an extra mile because I'm on my way out. I will just be applying a very thin layer around my hairline, and then I'm going to tie it down with the wig band. So now here I decide I don't want the middle part, and I start messing with the part, but I've already put on the wig band, which you'll see how that comes out in a moment. This is the moment I realized I should have left that middle part alone, because now it is parted in the beginning and on the side in the back. So now I have to fix that. Now that I've fixed the part and I'm just kind of crimping and looking at the curls and making sure everything looks good before I walk out the door. This wig is beautiful. This wig is light. I did not feel, how sometimes when a wig is too tight, you feel like you're going to get a headache. My head is too big and I feel nothing. It feels so light on my head. It is so beautiful. And I would definitely 10 out of 10 recommend this wig. If you stayed to the end, I'd like to thank you for watching. Please send a comment to me and let me know what you think of this wig. If you like this channel, if this is something that you like the glueless wigs and the fashion here, then please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. That would be greatly, greatly appreciated. And until next time.